In this brief tutorial, we're going to talk about the importance of using ePortfolios in the classroom. So why use ePortfolios? Well, ePortfolios are web-based curated collections of student work that reveals insight about the individual student's personality, the student's reflections about their understanding of their skills and concepts, the student's understanding of their learning, and the student's growth throughout the course. That's a lot to be said about the importance of using ePortfolios. But think about this. Think about all the standards that you can cover by using ePortfolios. Think about how you can use it as what some of us use as evidence folders. And we'll delve into that in just a second. So the first thing in that I wanted to talk about in that definition is the word curated. The idea of student choice, students choosing work that best reflects what they feel they can do, students choosing work that best reflects their understanding of concepts and topics, students choosing work that they're proud of or most proud of. Anytime we can insert student choice within our classrooms and our lessons, I think students buy into that more. They're buying into the assignments and topics, and hopefully once they buy into it, they'll try to do their best even more. The next word that's important is reflection. You're going to see throughout this module that reflection is key to student ePortfolios, because without the reflection, it really isn't a portfolio. What we want to see in the ePortfolios is these metacognitive practices. Students analyzing what they feel that they can do well, students analyzing what they feel that they need more practice in. When students write about that in their ePortfolio, then we as an educator can see, well, are they right? Are they identifying the right problems that they're having? Or maybe do they think that they can do something that they might need more practice with? So when we read these reflections that the students write in their ePortfolios, and maybe reflections from other classmates and past reflections that we've written, we can then gain insight about what a student knows and what a student doesn't know, what they need more practice with, and then we can use those reflections, use what we've read in those reflections, the data that we've collected, to then guide instruction along. And then hopefully as the year progresses in the portfolio, we're going to see growth. When we use the ePortfolio, it's proof to the students that they are learning and that they're growing. Hopefully they're going to see improvement from assignments at the beginning of the year to assignments at the end of the year. And the best way to show students that they're growing and learning, and not only students, to show administrators and to show parents that the students are learning and growing, is by multiple measures of assessing what a student knows. So there needs to be multiple assignments in the in your class, throughout your instructional units, where students are practicing specific skills more than once. And then from there, students can choose a couple of assignments to show throughout the year that they have learned this skill throughout the year, and how they have grown and improved throughout the year with a specific skill. So just a quick little video about the importance of using ePortfolios within the classroom.